Hey everyone, here's a question from the other side of 0, which is 10th chapter of class 6 and is based on the new syllabus Ganita Prakash. And here's a question which is based on the number line. The question is, use unmarked number line to evaluate this expression. So we have to find the answer and we don't have to actually draw the number line, but unmarked number line. So we have to just put the numbers on the line and find the answer. So let's take the line here, and here we have a question on both addition and subtraction of integers. So the rule is a bit different when you're adding and when you're subtracting. So let's see the difference here. So when you have an addition, like in the first question, the operation is addition, right? So how to do it? You're adding minus 125 and minus 30. This means you are at, just imagine that you are at minus 125. So this is your point. You are standing here at minus 125 and you're adding minus 30. So minus 30. So let me mark minus 125 a bit here. So this is your, let's take minus 125 and you're adding minus 30. This means you are going 30 units to the left side. Whenever you're adding number which is negative like minus, this means you're going left side, okay, now left side of the number line. If you're adding a number which is positive, which means you're going to the right side. So here you're going 30 units to the left side, it's minus 30. So if you're going 30 units here, so what number you will get? 30 plus 125 is 155, and since you're going towards the left side of the number line, all the numbers will be negative, so we get minus 155. So this will be your answer, minus 155. Now the next questions are subtraction. For subtraction, the rule is different. Here we're subtracting 105 and minus 55. When you're subtracting, the second number minus 55 will be your starting point. So here you are, let's take you are at here at 55 minus 55, and the first number will be your final number, or that is the point which you want to reach, where you want to reach. So you want to go to plus 105. So this is a difference between addition and subtraction. In addition, you will start from this number, the first number, and you will go that many units. It could be left or right depending on sign, and that where you reach, that will be your answer. But in subtraction, you have a starting point and you have the end point. So how many units you're moving, that is your answer. So this is my starting point, minus 55, and I want to go to plus 105, and in between we have 0, right? So we will mark 0 because it will make the calculation easy. So from 55 to 0, I have to move 55 units, and from 0 to 105, I have to move 105 units. So total 55 plus 105, it is 160. So I have to move 160 units towards the right side. Since I am going towards the right side, it will be plus. So I'll get plus 160. So this is how you will do it in case of subtraction. You will mark the starting point and the point. So your starting point is your second number, not the first number. So from here you want to go there. So how many moves, how many units did you move? That is your answer. In addition, you have given the first point and the number of movements. So when you solve it, the answer what you get is your end point, or that is point you want to reach. So that is the answer, plus 160. Let's look at the next example. We have plus 80 minus 150. So you're subtracting here. This means you are at minus 150 and you want to go to plus 80. So from minus 150, first you go to 0. So you have 0, right? So how many units did you move? You moved 150 units. And from 0 to 80, you moved 80 units. So 150 plus 80 together is 230. So to reach from minus 150 to plus 80, you have to move 230 units, and you're moving towards the right side. Right side means always positive. So it will be plus 230. And the last question, we have minus 99 minus 200. So you are at minus 200. So let's mark minus 200 and you want to reach minus 99. Now in your number line, 99 actually is to the right side of minus 200. So here is minus 99. So in between this we don't have 0. So from minus 200 you want to go to minus 99. So how many units you have to move? And remember, you're moving towards the right side. This means the number will be plus. So how many moves here, how many numbers you have to go? You have to go 101 units towards the right side. You can subtract 299, you get 101. This means you have to move that many units towards the right. Since we're moving towards the right, it will be plus 101. So your answer will be plus 101. That's it. So this is how you have to do it using the number line, unmarked number line. And remember, it is different for addition and subtraction. I hope this question is clear. In case you have any question or doubt, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.